Hey guys, anyways, Hope here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another must-download application that I would like to share with you guys. And just like I try to do every single week here on the channel, I like to share an app from the App Store that I think is worth a download. And this week, of course, will be no different. But you guys already know, if there's any apps you want me to try, any recommendations or suggestions, you can always leave those in the comments down below. And maybe I'll feature the app that you recommend on the next episode. And now today I wanted to share with you guys a really awesome utility that allows you to keep track of your device's battery, okay? So if you have multiple iPads laying around, multiple Apple products, like maybe a secondary Apple Watch, another iPad mini, maybe the iPad Pro, which I have here, this application would allow you to keep track of all those battery percentages directly within one application, and also contains a widget. Let's show you here the application. Very simple to use, very clean UI. You see right here, once you launch the application, you can add devices on the top. You do need the application to be installed on the devices that you're going to be tracking, right? So for example, I have iPad mini here. I'm going to show you how to add that here in just a few seconds. But right now, I can track the battery of my second Apple Watch. In case I want to use that, right there it is. It's at 100%. And it also tells you if it's on Do Not Disturb or if it's also on screen time. As you can see right below, right there it is. Below the battery percentage, you get the icon. Also, my iPad Pro, which I showed you just now, is at 51%. I do have this application, which of course will be listed in the description down below if you want to check it out. iPhone 12, right there it is. Product red, and iPhone 11 as well, which the batteries are kind of low now, telling me that I do need to charge those devices. So this application helps you keep track of the battery percentage. If you have multiple iPhones right now, I know that I can't go back to the iPhone 12 because the battery's kind of low, so I should probably charge it. It's a really cool utility. It works like magic. It's super easy to use, as I mentioned. You can go ahead and customize it right here on the top right. You can change the colors and all that good stuff. You guys can mess around with that as you wish, but it's super easy to add any additional devices to the list. And of course, you also have the widget. Let me show you here with iPad mini. I do have the application right there. It is Cloud Battery. Right there it is on my iPhone. And of course, it's also on iPad. So all I have to do on iPad is just launch the application, simply click the plus icon here, and then add iPad mini. Just like so. Once I add it, it's on my list. Now I can go back on my iPhone or on the iPad and have a look at the battery percentage for that iPad mini. As it refreshes here, you'll see that the iPad mini will populate. So let me go ahead and refresh it just like so. There it is, iPad mini. It's at 72%. Again, you have to download the application for the devices that you're going to be using it for, but I think it's a really cool utility. You can keep track of the battery, you know if you will be able to use that device when you get to it, and that way you can sort of just get a quick glance as well with this widget that you see right there. It tells you right there what the battery percentage is. In the widget, you can have, of course, different sizes. Press and hold here, and you can access all the widgets used in the actual application. Let's go ahead and find it here. It should be listed here. I did add it earlier, so let's go ahead and look for the actual app. There it is. You have the small, you have the medium, and of course you have the large widget as well to go along. So super awesome utility, available in the App Store for free. Cloud Battery, there it is. Great ratings, 4.1 stars. Go ahead and download it, check it out. Links will be down below. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.